Today, I'm going to explain to you why your business still needs a website in 2025. Having a website is no longer a nice to have, but a must have for a modern business. In today's digital age, a website is the foundation of your online presence, and it's crucial for establishing credibility, building trust with customers, and reaching a wider audience. When businesses don't have a website, they often struggle with limited visibility. They're not showing up in search engine results, and customers are having a hard time finding them online. This can lead to a significant loss of potential customers and revenue. Without a website, businesses are also missing out on the opportunity to showcase their products and services and to sell their story in a way that resonates with their target audiences. This lack of online presence can make it difficult for customers to trust their business and can ultimately lead to a loss of sales. Furthermore, without a website, businesses have limited control over their online reputation, as they're not able to respond to customers' reviews and feedback in a timely manner. And let's not forget, having no website means no way of tracking website analytics, which makes it impossible to understand customer behavior and make data-driven decisions. When you don't have a website, you're relying on word of mouth and physical storefronts to bring in customers. While these methods can be effective, they're limited in their reach and scalability. You're not able to reach customers who are searching for products or services like yours online, and you're not able to compete with larger businesses that have a strong online presence. Having a website opens up a world of possibilities for businesses. It allows them to reach a global audience, to showcase their products and services, and to build trust with customers. A website can also help businesses to establish credibility and authority in their industry, which can lead to more sales and more revenue. Take, for example, a local restaurant that creates a website with online ordering and reservation capabilities. This allows them to reach a wider audience and to increase sales during off-peak hours. Or consider a small retail store that creates a website with e-commerce capabilities. This allows them to sell products online and to reach customers who may not be able to visit their physical storefront. Let's take a look at a real-world example of a business that transformed its success by creating a website. Meet Jane, the owner of a small yoga studio in a rural town. Before creating a website, Jane was struggling to attract new students and to compete with larger yoga studios in the area. By creating a website, Jane was able to showcase her classes, her studio, and her teaching style. She was able to offer online booking and payment capabilities, which made it easier for students to sign up for classes. As a result, Jane saw significant increases in new students, and her business was able to thrive. Before creating a website, Jane's business was limited to word of mouth and local advertising. But with a website, she was able to reach a wider audience and to attract students from surrounding towns. The website also helped Jane to establish credibility and authority in her industry, which helped to build trust with potential students. Without a website, businesses are missing out on opportunities and are struggling to compete with larger businesses. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to discuss your website ideas with us, please do reach out to us at hello@goscampi.co.uk.